Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the most useful topic in Selenium basics, which is the get and navigate method. So let's get started. So what is the get method and navigate method? So get method is used to open the URL and even navigate method is used to open a URL. The difference between these two methods are get method, it will wait until the page gets load, and whereas navigate method, it will not wait for the page to get loaded. And in get method we have no tracking for history, whereas in the navigate method we have a tracking of history. There we can perform 2 and 4th action, but which means that we can navigate backwards and navigate forward, like we have a browser back and forward buttons, so we can do that same kind of features here. And its implementation and navigate method implementation has some navigations like to back, forward and refresh. And this is one of the most asked interview question. Please watch this entire session so that you will get some good enough information related to these implementations. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So let's jump into our actual Eclipse. Let me create a class. Under class I will create method called. So in the previous session we have covered Selenium basics 1. Now we'll do it Selenium basics 2. And we need a main method, and I will try to create the system set properties to launch my browser. System.set property. In case if you are new to this tutorial, please do watch my previous tutorials. You will get good enough information on how to set property and how to configure different browsers like IE, Edge, Firefox, Chrome, webdriver.chrome.driver, and this is a key, and we need to provide value as exe. So we need to point the exe value of the server. So I have the server in my servers folder. I will copy this location, and here we will copy this location and end with semicolon. Now we are ready with system set properties. Now we need to initiate our Chrome browser. Driver, I need to use WebDriver Selenium, and driver equal to new Chrome driver. Now so we have ready with our properties and browser instance. Now we'll try to invoke one of the URL using a get method and navigate method. So we'll first try using a get method. Invoke using a get method. How can we invoke this method? Using a driver instance, driver.get. So it will accept a parameter, arguments as a string. So it is a it will not have any implementation, so it is a string parameter we need to provide. Let me take it from my document. Here I have one sample URL. Here I will provide this as a my driver URL and a driver to quit. So it will quit the entire browser instance, and this my driver.get will invoke this URL. So let's quickly try this. It started successfully. It will open a Chrome browser, it will launch the application URL, and it will quit the browser. So this is a simple get call, using get method. And I will show you one important question and also interview point of view. if you are giving without HTTP or without HTTPS, then you will get an invalid argument issue. So I will show you now how it will throw that error. So let me again run this program, and even if you see in the back side in the console, I got an issue. It is because of invalid arguments, because this get method should be using this HTTP and HTTPS. Without this you cannot execute, I mean you cannot launch any URL. So you need to use this to launch any application URL. So this is the get method. Now we'll see the navigate to method. Navigate to method will also do the same thing as the get method is doing, but navigate method has the option to store the browser history. It will capture the browser history and can perform to and fro actions. So let's do the navigation method using invoke the URL using navigate method. Here driver dot, so if you click on driver dot and type navigate, so under navigate we have some implementations like different objects and navigation. So we are currently discussing with respect to the objects. So I will try to launch an application using a to URL. So it's a string arguments, we need to pass a string arguments here. So even this will launch the application. Let's try it out. See, it has launched the application and it has closed the application. So I will do one thing. I will do a sysout to capture the current title. So I will use my current title is, and I will append using concatenate, and here we have one method called driver dot get title. So you can use get title. Get title is used to capture the title of the page, right? And again I will try to invoke another URL using navigate only, navigate dot to. Now in this I will try to give a different URL. This time I will give the Facebook Messenger one, and here I will paste it. Now sysout, under sysout I will say my next, or I can say second title is, and here also I will do the same thing, which driver dot get title. So here I wanted to show you how can we perform to and fro actions using the browser history within the navigate method. So I will save, and I will try to comment this quit method, and I will launch this program and run this program. Now it has launched the Facebook, and after that it is launching the Messenger. Now we'll go to console and see here we have two different titles, which is my current title. The first one it is showing as Facebook login or sign up. Second one it says Messenger. So here I wanted to perform one action which will take me back to my original page, I mean the first page. How can we do that? Using driver dot back option. Okay, driver dot navigate dot back. Okay, this will take me to towards my backside. I mean it's some previous title, which is this title. So I will use the same method to get the title, but instead of my current URL I will say after navigating back my title is. Okay, I will navigating backside. I mean I'm going to the previous URL which is launched first. So I will cancel this instance and even these two. This time I will try to uncomment this my quit method and quickly run this program again. Okay, it has launched the Facebook. Then after it has launching another URL, it is going backwards. Here you can see in the console logs, you can see it is saying the first one is a Facebook login. Then after it opened the messenger, then after it is went backwards towards back using a browser history. And similarly, I can do a driver dot navigate dot forward. So this will take me again to the second URL which I am launching here. I mean, this is my second URL, so it will open again, it will go to that URL back using a browser back buttons. So here also I will use the same command here. So this time I will say after navigating forward. So this time I will say forward, and I will try to save this. And I wanted to show you one more feature of navigations, that is driver dot navigate dot refresh. So this will allow us to refresh the page. So in case if you wanted to use this refresh command in anywhere, like after refresh you will get a new set of data, in that cases you can use this refresh command which will try to refresh the page. And again I will try to rerun the program. Here before I refresh, I wanted to try thread sleep to save my browser to wait for like 2 seconds. Thread dot sleep 2 seconds, and after 2 seconds I wanted to refresh my page. Okay, and here I will try to print stack trace. If there is any issue, it will catch in this block. Okay, I will rerun the program again. So it is launching the URL of Facebook first, then after it will go to the messenger, then again it will went back and it will come forward. After 2 seconds it will refresh the page and it will close. So this is how we can perform all the actions within this navigate method and its implementation and get method. And this is one of the interview point of view question. Thanks for watching. In case if you have any questions, queries, please do post in my comment section. In case if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe.